This Dorman automatic transmission oil cooler hose assembly closely matches the original routing and connections on late 1990s and early 2000s Jeep Cherokee models, so installation feels straightforward and factory correct. The hose uses sturdy materials and solid crimps that hold up well to heat, pressure, and road grime, giving confidence that it will last for many years of daily driving. By restoring proper fluid flow to the transmission cooler, it helps keep operating temperatures in check and can prevent the kind of overheating that shortens transmission life. The bends and fittings are shaped accurately, so the line clears suspension and engine components without rubbing or kinking once everything is tightened down. Fitment guidance through the vehicle selection tool makes it easier to confirm compatibility before ordering, which helps avoid the hassle of trial and error with similar-looking parts. Backed by an established aftermarket brand with deep experience in replacement transmission components, this hose assembly feels like a dependable fix for leaking or corroded factory lines.